sharky, titty, baby sharky, titty, baby shark. Mother shark, titty, mother shark, titty. Daddy shark, daddy shark. How are you, little angels? I hope you're okay. I'm fine, and I hope you're fine too. It's your Teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu, Learning Simplified. Someone has peeped on the blackboard and seen something. What have you seen on the blackboard? Teacher, in math we have number families. Yes. What is a family? We talked about it in environmental, in religious. What is a family? Family is a group of people that are related. Which means, even when you see these numbers here, they are related. They cannot stay together if they're not related. Do you know that? So, what is number families? Number families are simply numbers that have a relationship. They share something in common. And for this case, we have daddy, we have mommy, and we have a child. Are we together? And what are we talked about what a family needs. What a family needs. What is this thing that a family cannot do without? One, family cannot do without clothes. And we believe our daddy, mommy, and baby girl have clothes. The second thing a family cannot do, food. And the last thing you can see on the board, they cannot do without a shelter. So we have even made for this family a very beautiful shelter. Have you seen that? Yeah. So we are basically talking about number families, and we are saying a number families are numbers that are related. The same way a family shares the same blood is the same way these numbers, they are related. Now there are things that will always help us in the number family. For you to do a number family, for you to enjoy a number family, for you to find it very easy and fun to do these number families. There are things that will help you out. One thing that will help you out that you should always know. Remember, all the three numbers are a family. And what are the needs? Their needs are, they must have a shelter. That's why I've made them a house. The second thing that will help you, a number family creates 4 number sentences. They must create 4 number sentences. We are saying these are the things you should understand about a number family. They are related. Number 2, they create 4 number sentences. What do I mean by number sentences? Who can remind me what we talked about when I told you? Can you make a sentence, an addition sentence? For example, here I'm being told if I add mommy and a child, I will get daddy. Another rule you should remember about these number families, we are being told it has 2 addition and 2 subtraction sentences. It has 2 addition and 2 subtraction sentences. So if you understand these rules very well, you will never have a problem. Are we together? The another rule that you should understand about these number families, they make the same 3 number to create a number sentence. You move the 3 numbers. When I turn this, it should give me this. When I turn this, it should give me this. So just move around here. Do not allow a stranger in this home. Do we allow strangers in our homes? We said, what can strangers do to us? The strangers can kill us. Strangers can kidnap us. They can take us away. So what are we supposed to do? Do not allow strangers in your home. So these family members do not allow strangers in their home. That's why we only walk around with them. If mommy wants help, we'll ask help from daddy. If daddy wants help from mommy. If the child wants help, he asks help from the daddy. But they never go to look for help from another person who is not in the family. Are we together? Then another thing we should not allow, we should understand is the big number, who is the daddy. See, daddy is the one who is the head of the family. Are you seeing where daddy is? The head of the family. He's on their heads, on top of them. So the big number, who is the daddy? When it comes to addition, daddy comes the last. Daddy comes the last after the equal sign. Hapa ni daddy. But this is when it is addition. When we add, daddy comes the last person. And when we subtract, daddy comes the first person. Dad is here. So when you're talking about subtract, dad comes here. This is now subtract or minus or take away. So someone help me to understand the rules we have discussed. Rules we have discussed in the family. We have said rule number 1, they are related. Who is a family? Family is a group of people that are related. Rule number 2, they create 4 number sentences. As if they cannot be less than that and they cannot be more than that. Another rule is they create 2 addition and 2 subtraction sentences. Then something else, they just move around the 3 numbers to make the number sentences. I forgot to write that. They move around the 3 numbers. Move the 3 numbers. To create what? To create the number sentence. They never allow a stranger in the home. For example, here we have daddy, mommy, and the child. Then we get another stranger here. No. Close the door. Because the stranger might enter our home. And we have said the last rule that will always guide us is in the addition, when you're doing the addition sentence, we have said they have 2 addition and 2 subtraction. So in the first 2 addition sentence, daddy comes the last one. He's the one who protects the house. Who takes care when a dog says, who goes out to find out what is there? It is daddy. He's the last person to sleep. And when we come to the subtraction, dad is the first one. Now let's assume this is when it comes to school fees. Dad is the first one to know this one needs this amount of school fees to go to school. And when it comes to addition, dad is to make sure that all the kids have gone to school before he does anything else. So let us focus on our number families. We have 2 number families who are in their house right now and they have no problem. So we are saying the big one is the daddy. The big one is the daddy. The big one is the daddy. Are we together? Then this one can be either mommy or the child. Now we are asking ourselves, how do we make these number families? Let's follow our rules. We are only playing around with the 3 numbers. No strangers. So if I find another number here in this house that is not 3, 5 or 2, I'll be very sad. So let's start. And we have said we are creating how many? 2 addition sentences. And we are saying if daddy is the last one in the We are saying daddy is the last one in the addition sentence. So here I have daddy and here I also have daddy. So give me the 2 numbers that are in there without getting a stranger in our house, without letting a stranger in our house. Don't allow strangers in our house. Okay? Tell me the first 2 numbers that will be fitting here. Very good. Let's try this. What if I take the child and mommy? Let's see. If I take a child and mommy, will it give me 5? Yes. Is there a stranger in that line? No. What if I start with mommy and then I go to the child? It is the same thing. Wow. I like that. So we have said 2 addition sentences. Have I made the 2 addition sentences? Yes, I have. Now 2 subtraction sentences. Wow. Let's go. We said, what is the rule for subtraction sentences? Daddy comes first. Remember, in the addition, daddy came last. So, in the subtraction, daddy will come the last one. So, where is daddy? We said daddy is the big one. So, dad is here and dad is here. So, I'm taking away. Now, I don't know what I'm supposed to take away, but I know I am not supposed to allow a stranger inside our house. So, what will I take away here to get here? Let me try use this one, 2. Then if I count backwards, 5, 4, 3. So, my answer is 3. Very good. What if I take away mommy? it will give me the same thing. Yay! Do we have a stranger in our house? No, 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 no. Have you followed the rules of number families? Yes, 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 yes. Now, let's try again using this one. Who is our daddy in this case? Our daddy is 8. What are the rules to be followed in number families? A family must be related. Very good. A family needs a house. Good. They are in the house. A family, we are saying, they make how many? 4 addition sentences. And we are only moving around the 3 family members to create the number sentences. So, which one? Rule number 1. We are saying in the first in addition sentence, daddy comes last. Daddy, you are here, the last one. And in the subtraction, daddy comes first. Let's see, let's see, let's see. So what will I do here to get total number as daddy? And we are saying, don't allow strangers. No, 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 no. In the house, we are safe. In the house, we are safe. Do we allow strangers in the house? No, no, no. So, let's come here. So, what am I supposed to do here? Let me put here mommy and put here the child. Will I still get daddy? Yes. Now, what am I supposed to put here? Let me put here the child and mommy. I'll still get daddy. But now here, daddy is the first one. Daddy is the first one. So, daddy will, I take away mommy from daddy, I get the child. And I take away the child from daddy, I get mommy. Do I have strangers? Once you are done with your number family, ask yourself, did I use only the 3 members of the family? Yes, let's assume this is the duck's family. And this is, whose family is this? The pig's family. And you know, pigs can be mad when they find a stranger in their home. Do you know that? Now, this is daddy pig, mommy pig, and baby pig. And we have not added any stranger in this family. And the family members are they are in the house. We hope they have food in that house because they might starve to death. Do I have 2 addition sentences? Yes. Do I have 2 subtraction sentences? Yes. In the addition, does daddy come the last one? Yes. In the subtraction, is daddy the first one? Yes. So, tell me something. What have you learned today? I have taught here 2 subjects. I have taught you the environmental and I have taught you in math. As a family, we need to relate and stay together. We need to stick together so that we don't allow strangers to give us trouble. Do you know that? So, in this class, you know, this is our family. This is the EasyElimu family. And in our EasyElimu family, we stick together. We learn to do things in a very cooperative manner. And with that, we will not allow strangers to be coming to our house and destroying us. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. It is now number families with only 1-digit number and 1-digit number to get a 1-digit number. Let's hope to continue in the next number family topic. Thank you very much.